Hi, my name is Mindy and I'm an ex-photographer, ex-creator, and I got my hands really early on this Instax Mini Evo Cinema. So that's what I'm going to unbox today for you. So I really like that it's so flat packed, and it sort of reminds me, that you're going to receive an assembly kit kind of thing. What we have here is a small, like an infographic about how to assemble the kit. Everything is, made of recyclable carton, and it's very, synonymous of all Fujifilm cameras that we have seen so far. So this is nothing new, but I like that they've constantly been refining it. I like that this comes in a recyclable paper that's got really nice texture. So I'm going to open this. That we have in the main body, the main camera, right? So this is where you would load your Instax film, and this is where the film comes out. And next up we have an eye cup where I'll fit over here in the viewfinder. So that's where it will help you to see better in the bright light when you can't see the screen. And finally, we have this, which is this would be the hand grip. So you can grip it like this, but if you feel that it's not enough, you can always install the hand grip here, and it'll give you better holding power, especially if you are taking video. See, now my 4 fingers go in there. But I could use without the hand grip as well, because I find that it's easier to, when you want to put it down, it lies flat. So then lastly we have this box. We have the USB-C to USB charging cable, and then we have the hand strap. To print the Instax, you lift up the lever and you turn. Right, and there's even a selfie camera over here that you can sort of target yourself. They can sort of point to put yourself in frame. So one of the main selling points of the Mini Evo Cinema is actually the eras of film photography divided into decades. Instead of giving you the usual film simulations, I think Fujifilm is actually testing you about photographic history. So in the box, it's very explanatory what kind of film effects you get when you toggle between the eras. And you can see from the 1930s where it's very black and white, slowly turned into sepia, and color was attained, and the color, has gone through different stages. Like it became very virulent, and then there was flash photography, and later on when digital camera was introduced from the 1990s to the 2000s, there was a stark jump into the digital era, which is why we see this like stark contrast. And then as digital developed, you would then in 2010 see more pleasing colors. And then we go into 2020 where things became more fun and flash photography became hip again. So it's really, I think it would be really fun to toggle between the eras as we are filming outside. So let's see, I can't wait to use the camera on the streets actually.